Hey Disney Travelers. I just want to talk to you a little bit today about kind of the woke things going on at Disney. Now, um, I'm probably going to make all sides angry today, but I'm just asking that you might think about this for a little while. You know, people are very, very angry at the changes going on at Disney. You know, they took out the slave trade from Pirates of the Caribbean, and they no longer can bid on the redhead. Remember, we wants the redhead, and now she's a pirate, and then there's other things too. Trader Sam being removed from Jungle Book, not Jungle Book, the Jungle Cruise, or Splash Mountain being completely changed, and now it's going to become something else from Princess and the Frog. Now, can I just stop? I understand why we are passionate about this. We're Disney fans, man. We don't like anything changing except for getting rid of Stitch. We're all in favor of getting rid of Stitch's Great Escape, right? Right. But in reality, these things aren't very woke. If you were to go to the Pirates of the Caribbean ride today, the attraction today, for the very first time in your life, and you were to just simply go through, it wouldn't seem like a woke thing. It would just seem like a pirate scene. If you go on the Jungle Cruise and you see Trader Sam's little hut there for souvenirs, it doesn't seem like it's going far to the left. It just is something different. Now, I know why it's different, and they're concerned about the other things. But what I'm saying is we don't have to be so upset. We don't have to be so mad, because the changes there are good. They're not bad. We might worry about why they're changing, but in reality, let's just all take a deep breath and realize what is being changed. It's not being changed to horrible things. Now, if you will, the only thing politically I'd say that needs to be changed, and Disney Imagineers, I hope you're listening to me, Donald Trump's face in the Hall of Presidents. Look, we get it. You thought Hillary Clinton was going to win. You were super shocked. Bang, what do? You slap on a wig on Hillary's face and you call that Donald Trump. Look, you ain't fooling anybody. Fix that. But even today, there's a Disneyland just changed their Snow White ride, and somebody is complaining that about Snow White getting a kiss without consent. Folks, a couple of things. Number one, the more we talk about garbage like this, we hate it, we hate that you're saying that, blah, 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 it just becomes more popular. It actually raises the issue. Remember when your parents said, just ignore them, they'll go away? This is the truth. A lot of these things, if we just ignore them, they'll go away because they're not that important. Most people have common sense, but also, and this is just something for life, the person who is very upset about this Snow White scene, their problem is they see something, they're looking to see something wrong. And instead of thinking of a Disney princess who dreamed that she would find true love's kiss, she dreamed that the prince would come, and that this kiss made her come back to life. You know, those people want to see wrong things. I heard as a kid, dirty people think dirty things, and that's just kind of what's going on, folks. What I'm saying is, let's not worry about it. Let's not worry about the woke agenda. Let's not worry about anything until there's something to worry about. I mean, let's be honest. If all we're worrying about is a scene in Pirates of the Caribbean, that at the end is a pretty good scene on its own. We don't have a lot to complain about. That's just my 2 cents. I love you guys. Today is May the 4th, 2021. I got my new Star Wars shirt. Every year we as a family, we get new Star Wars shirts to celebrate May the 4th. So anyways, love you guys. Click, subscribe, click that little bell, and you'll get alerts when we enter them. God bless. Bye-bye.